In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a good YouTube script that keeps viewers hooked using AI. First off, pick any channel in your niche that is performing well, or any channel in your niche that you like their scripts. We are going to use this channel in the documentary niche, Magnets Media. As you can see, they are pulling in millions of views, which means their script actually works.
We are going to use ChatGPT. You will need a subscription, which costs about $20 per month. I mean, the free plan will work, but to get a better result, you have to get a subscription. Now open a new Google Doc and name it Competitor. The next thing to do is to head to this website. We are going to use this to get the transcripts of our competitors' videos so we can train ChatGPT on the kind of script that we want. Now go back to your competitor and pick any of their videos and copy the link and paste it here. I will put the link in the description. Now, click on Extract Transcript. Copy the transcript and paste it in the Google Doc. Do this for about 5 or more videos. We need more context for ChatGPT to learn from.
Now, go back to ChatGPT and input this prompt. I want to create tech crime documentary videos on YouTube. I will share sample titles and scripts of my competitors. Study their scripts and their flow. We will use it to write the scripts for my videos. Do you understand? I will put the prompt in the description for you to copy. Now, download the competitor Google Doc and upload it. ChatGPT will study our competitor's script and break it down. Then we'll use our competitor's format to write our script. Since I don't have a topic, I will ask it to give me sample topics to choose from. I like this topic, so I will tell ChatGPT to write the script for this topic using our competitor format. Then I will copy the topic and add it to the prompt. As you can see, this script is already looking good, just like our competitor. But there's a problem. The script is very short. For documentary videos, we will need a 15 minutes plus video, which this script won't make up. The trick here is to tell ChatGPT to write the script in chapters. So let's say, write the script in 6 chapters. Make sure each chapter is 1500 words. As you can see, ChatGPT is now giving us a longer script. Now this is how to write a good script that keeps viewers hooked using AI. Follow this and I promise you that your viewer retention will skyrocket, which will get you more views. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section and I will do my best to reply. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.